Meaning of gulch.
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 Gulch. The word gulch refers to a narrow and steep-sided ravine or valley, typically one carved out by running water. It is also known as a gorge or a chasm. Gulches are often found in areas with rugged terrain, such as mountain ranges or canyons. They can be dangerous to traverse due to their steep slopes and uneven surfaces. The term is commonly used in Western literature and history, particularly in reference to the American Old West. Overall, a gulch is a natural landform that presents both beauty and potential hazards for those exploring it.